Alright, so I'm back at it. Got these bikes in. The blue bike is a 2013 Ultra Classic Tri-Glide. The black bike is a 2007 Street Glide. Both has audio on it already. This one already broke down as far as taking all the old equipment off and all the old wiring. Both of them got Kenwood radios, single DIN radios. That bike had Embry cord, 6.5 in the fairing, some Hertz, 5 1/4 in the rear pods, and then aquatic AV shockwave amp in the touring pack. Like I said, it's all out. This one I think has, like the owner told me, he said it has Hertz 6.5 in the fairing, some horns, y'all can see those right there. And then he just got these newer style bads, which I like. I hate the older style bads, so definitely gonna put these to use. But and I think it's an amp, behind the fairing. So they both were, like I said, taking the shops with us. Now they just want me to redo the music. So and this one, they gonna put a sub. I don't know if he wants a sub put in his trunk. So I'm gonna definitely do that. But like I said, man, if it's not loud and clear, it's not leaving my garage, and I stand behind that. Anybody that got their bikes did by me, they already know what time it is. So, but it's quality work, the wiring A1, all that. So, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get these rolling.